30 Helpful Hints, Honey Edition. Honey is a natural sweetener with numerous uses beyond just sweetening food and beverages. Let's discover 30 uses for honey. Links to recipes will be included in the description below. These are not affiliate links, just recipes and information I like and use. Honey can be added to tea as a natural sweetener and flavor enhancer. 1/4 cup of honey will sweeten 2 quarts of tea. Honey can be used as a substitute for sugar in baking recipes, adding moisture and flavor to baked goods. 3/4 cups of honey in place of sugar will make a batch of the ultimate brownies. Honey can be used to glaze meats, vegetables, and fruits, adding sweetness and flavor during cooking. A basic honey glaze is made from honey and lemon juice. This glaze is perfect for bread, meats, vegetables, and desserts. Honey can be used as a base for marinades, adding sweetness and helping to tenderize meats. Honey marinades are a bit more complex than the glaze and incorporate ingredients like soy sauce, sriracha, and garlic. Honey can be used to sweeten and emulsify salad dressings, balancing out the acidity of vinegar or citrus. Try a honey balsamic vinaigrette on a strawberry spinach salad. Honey can be used as a natural ingredient in homemade facial masks, moisturizing and soothing the skin. Add a little turmeric, lemon, and vinegar to achieve a healthy glow. Be cautious with the turmeric as it stains almost everything it touches. Be sure to wash the mask off thoroughly before drying your face. Honey can be mixed with olive oil or coconut oil and applied to hair as a deep conditioner, adding moisture and shine. Adding a little rosemary to the mix will help stimulate hair growth. Honey can be applied topically to minor cuts, scrapes, and burns to promote healing and reduce inflammation. Honey can be added to hot water or tea to soothe sore throats. Add 2 tablespoons of honey to your warm beverage and wait for the magic to happen. Honey can be taken straight or mixed with lemon juice to help suppress coughs and soothe irritated throats. If you have a cough with a sore throat, add a teaspoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of honey to your warm beverage. There is a link below to a study by the Mayo Clinic that indicates honey may be as effective as a cough suppressant for children. Honey can be consumed as a natural energy booster, providing a quick source of carbohydrates. Mix some honey with peanut butter for a creamy, delicious snack. Honey can be mixed with water or aloe vera gel and used as a gentle face cleanser, removing dirt and impurities. Honey facial cleanser is simple to make with 3 ingredients: honey, aloe gel, and olive oil. Honey can be mixed with beeswax and coconut oil to create a homemade lip balm, moisturizing and protecting lips. Adding shea butter to your lip balm will help add moisture to your lips during cold weather. Honey can be used as a sweetener and binder in homemade granola recipes, adding flavor and texture. This is the perfect way to use honey for an energy boost in the middle of your day. Honey can be mixed with sugar or salt to create a natural body scrub, exfoliating and moisturizing the skin. Add cinnamon to help reduce the signs of aging, soothe eczema, and potentially help treat acne. Honey can be applied topically to acne-prone skin to help reduce inflammation and kill bacteria. Honey is naturally antibacterial and soothing to the skin. Apply a small amount to the affected area and leave on overnight. Honey can be applied topically to sunburned skin to help soothe and moisturize. You can just smear honey all over your sunburn or use a product that contains honey to soothe, moisturize, prevent infection, prevent scarring, and speed up healing. Local honey may help alleviate seasonal allergies when consumed regularly, though scientific evidence is limited. Honey can be used as a natural sweetener in homemade jam recipes, preserving fruits and adding sweetness. Why not have a unique and fun date night? Try making some strawberry honey jam. Honey can be applied directly to the skin as a natural moisturizer, hydrating and nourishing dry skin. You can apply honey directly to your skin, and it will nourish and moisturize, but you might want to opt for a less sticky solution like a lotion made from manuka honey. Honey can be applied under the eyes as a natural eye mask, reducing puffiness and dark circles. Mix honey with aloe gel, almond oil, and chamomile for a weekly under-eye refresh. Honey can be mixed with shampoo to add moisture and shine to hair, or you can make homemade honey shampoo. Most honey shampoos have 2 ingredients, honey and water. The link in the description has several natural shampoo recipes that are fun to make and use. Honey can be added to warm milk for a soothing foot soak, softening and moisturizing the skin. Milk and honey soaks have been popular for centuries, and were reportedly favored by Cleopatra. Honey can be added to smoothies as a natural sweetener, balancing out the flavors of fruits and vegetables. Add some avocado to your smoothie to make it creamier. Honey can be used as a sweetener in homemade barbecue sauce recipes, adding depth of flavor. Fresh homemade barbecue sauce is better than store-bought any day. Honey can be applied to cuticles to help soften and moisturize them, promoting healthy nail growth. Orange or lemon essential oils can be added to the recipe for additional nail growth stimulation. Honey can be applied topically to eczema-prone skin to help reduce inflammation and soothe irritation. Adding additional soothing ingredients like aloe vera, shea butter, and coconut oil is recommended. Honey can be added to warm milk or water as a natural stress reliever, promoting relaxation. Just heat up a cup of your favorite milk and add 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey, stir well, and enjoy. You will be relaxed and ready to sleep in no time. Honey can be used as a binder in homemade energy bar recipes, providing a natural source of energy, perfect for a quick nutrient-rich breakfast on the go. Honey can be used as a sweetener in homemade ice cream recipes, adding a unique flavor to your favorite cold treat. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button, share your favorite honey recipes and skincare tips in the comments. Let me know what you would like to learn about next, and subscribe to our channel for more flavorful explorations of culinary science and gastronomic delights.